If you're looking to make a ton of money online, then the best option for the widest selection of people is undoubtedly affiliate marketing. The great thing about affiliate marketing through JVZoo or ClickBank is that you can start earning nearly as much as the product creator themselves without having to create anything. There's really very little reason to spend lots of time and money creating a product when you could just find one ready made and earn the same amount of money right away. But saving time and money is only one big benefit of affiliate marketing. The other is the fact that the products you'll be selling will come pre-validated. What this basically means is that you know for sure there's demand out there for the product you're selling and that people actually want to buy it. When you create a product of your own, conversely, there is a chance that after putting in all the time and effort to build it, you'll find that no one actually wants it. In that case, all the marketing prowess in the world won't help you, and you'll actually come out of the process worse off than you started. With affiliate marketing, you get to choose a product that is already selling lots of units, and in some cases, you can use their exact sales scripts in order to sell it. This is a proven quantity, and as such, there's nothing that can go wrong. This is literally a cut and paste business, and all that's left to you is to find your own audience. Unfortunately, many affiliate marketers don't realize this, and they instead want to get clever with creating their own business strategy. The same goes for all the people who try inventing their own new app or becoming the next massive blogger. That's all well and good, but 9 times out of 10, they will fail. If you're really serious about earning money, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just find what you know works and then use that exact business model to earn some money yourself. This is the smartest way to start making lots of money as an affiliate. Find what works and then go with it. Don't try to be clever. Once you've had some initial success and earned some cash, then you can look at creating your own product or changing the world. For now, settle for earning money in a tried and tested manner, quickly and efficiently. Once you find the right product and you begin making some money from it, you can continue this repeat what works strategy in a very simple manner, by repeating it. In other words, if you are making money from a certain digital product in a certain niche, then why not just completely mimic that model and start selling 2 different digital products? That way, you can quickly double your income as well as giving yourself a backup and a more secure model as a result. Alternatively, you can just start spending more on your PPC ad campaign to drive more traffic. Build mini business models and monitor your conversion rate, and only once you've proven that they make ROI, start spending more money on them to multiply your earnings.